So we're going to discuss about item in warehouses. So Sapin Businessman enables you to manage all the items that you purchase, manufacture, sell, or keep in stock. Services such as labor can also be defined as item. This can be used for defined services instead of regular basis. Items can also be used to describe fixed assets that are tracked for other purposes. For each item, enter the data relevant for a particular area in the system. This data is used automatically by the system for purchasing, sales, production, managing your warehouse, accounting. Exact Business One therefore provides optimal support for your business processes. Using the item data in the system, you can optimize your stock, have complete control over the stock quantities at all times. It can also analyze the financial aspect of stock holding at the same time. In Exact Business One, there is a direct relationship between warehouses and items. Defining a warehouse. So this is how you define a warehouse. So you have to go to administration, click setup, inventory, warehouses. So here you can enter one's code name and warehouse name. The address field specify address details for the warehouse. This address defaults into the purchasing document for the ship address for the warehouse. The location specifies the warehouse location. Use this field to classify warehouse according to their physical location. The dropship defines the warehouse as a dropship warehouse. Use this option when the company does not manufacture for specific items but receive commission for every order. Submissions 1 will not control stock position for this warehouse. In accounting type, define various defaults accounts used for inventory management for warehouse. Define the warehouse as default in the MRP wizard. Select the notable checkbox. Define check the warehouse can still be chosen in the MRP but not appear as a default. In the inventory instructions, when an item is purchased or sold, warehouse inventory is typically reduced or increased when the transactions are entered in purchasing and sales. For example, if a delivery note is created based on sales order for a customer, the warehouse stock is reduced by delivery quantity and the delivery note is added. When incoming invoices enter in the purchasing, the warehouse stock increased by the delivery quantity and the incoming invoice is added. The purchase or receipt of an item, however, not only transactions that result in a goods receipt or good issue. For example, if 5 pieces of an item are found damaged in the warehouse as a result of water damage rendering them useless, they are removed from the warehouse. This item cannot, however, be sold because they are not useless. In this case, you have to post a separate good issue with the function described here. A good receipt may be necessary, for example, if after carrying out an inventory, you establish that you have not considered a part of the quantity stored. You enter the forgotten quantity by means a goods receipt in the system. A good receipt and good issue. For good receipt and good issue does not refer to a sales process or purchasing process. You must specify the warehouse to which or from which you want to post the goods. The system always uses the default warehouses from the item master data record if you not specify otherwise. To post a good receipt, use inventory transaction. Wait. Good receipts. So this is how you create a good receipt. So to post a good issue, go to the inventory account, inventory transaction. Okay, you can see the good issue here. A good receipt creates a journal entry that posts the value of received goods on the debit side of the stock account and the credit side of the inventory offset increase account. A good issue creates a journal entry that posts the value of the good issue goods on the debit side of the inventory offset, decrease the account, and the credit side of the stock account. The accounts are retrieved from the inventory account page on the inventory data tab of the item master record. So in the inventory transfer, when you post an inventory transfer from warehouse to warehouse 1, the system creates an inventory transfer document and a journal entry. The journal entry posts the value of the transferred goods on the debit side of the stock account of warehouse 1 and the credit side of the inventory account of warehouse 2. To post a stock transfer, use inventory here and inventory transaction transfer. So, the bus serial numbers are used to track with patterns in comma. These characters must be attributed to define just as the shade of color, granularity or pH balance. The characteristics could be dates such as expiration dates, manufacturing date, or the date items were received into inventory. Serial numbers can help you track items down to the level of each individual object in your warehouse, so you know exactly which one was sold to a customer. The typical criteria for determining if an item needs a serial number are: is the item a high-value item? Should the item be tracked for security or repair reasons? Serial numbers are also important in service. Serialized item can be set up to automatically create a customer equipment card and service contract when the item is delivered to a customer. A customer equipment card is used to store services information such as valid service contracts, any service calls, inventory transactions for the item, and price list and discounts. So the price list basics. 10 default price lists are provided. Items are linked to every price list. Assign the price list to each customer. The assigned price list defaults into a sales document automatically. You can define multiple price lists per items. A price list contains items. Price list can be based on other price lists by using a percentage markup. Every item is linked to every price list. We can assign price list to the customer master record in the payment terms tab. When you enter the customer in the sales document, the assigned price list will default to the document. The system will then use the price list to price the items in order. Of course, more complex pricing can be used such as special prices, discount groups, or pricing hierarchies. Prices can also be changed in the sales order by authorizing users. For example, a salesperson might give 5% discount to a particular item for the full sales order. Using the different pricing option in Submissions 1, you can set predefined prices for selling and buying items. Typically, a business will choose only those options that make sense for how they will price items. For example, if a company sells smaller items to other businesses, they are more likely to use volume discounts. A company selling higher prices items may focus on special prices created for particular business partners. Prices are assigned to price lists and specific business partners. On the top of the basic price list functionally, you can add discounts based on the item group, properties, and manufacturer. You can use special prices to define details, pricing, and discount structures for business partner. You can base your discounts on the price list or simply enter them manually. Special prices override all other prices. So the price list. For the price list, you can define discount based on percentage or quantities. For example, all your large accounts have discounted prices since they purchase in larger volumes. You can create a relationship between pricing levels that updates automatically. When the system searches for a price, first it looks at special prices. If no special price, it looks for discount groups. If no discount group, it looks for period and volume discount. If no period and volume discount, it uses the basic price list assigned to the business partner. So, the basic pricing enter pricing to price list and assign the appropriate price list to a business partner. Period and volume discount define a discount percentage by date and quantities for a price list. Override the price list assigned to the business partner. Discount groups define discount percentage by item group, properties, or manufacturer. Overrides period and volume discount. Special prices determine special prices by items, business partner, dates, and quantities. Overrides all other prices. So, periods and volume discounts. You can use this function to define special price for price list. A special price can apply to a defined period or to a quantity scale. In some business one, time-based discounts are defined in the window. Price list items detailed by the period, and volume discounts are defined in hierarchies for those validity periods, and new items to the list by choosing inventory, price list, period, and discounts. So discount groups. You can assign discount groups based on item groups, item properties, or manufacturer products for each business partner. Discount defined by means of a discount group referred to the price list in the BP master record. You can define discount group for business partner. These discounts are defined with an item group, a combination of item group properties, or an item manufacturer. When you use discount row at the item properties level, sub-business one allows you to define a discount for several properties. You can use a role to decide which discount is used by the system for calculation. The highest discount. The property with the highest discount will determine the overall discount calculated for them. The lowest discount. The property with the lowest discount will determine overall discount calculated for item. The average discount. The system performs the average of all discounts for the properties the average is used as discount. The discount totals. The system adds together all discounts of the properties that apply to the item. The total of 100% is used as the discount. To define discount groups, you can choose inventory, price list, and special prices, and discount groups. The special prices. Special prices enable you to give a discount or surcharge for a specific business partner. Use inventory, price list, special prices, and special prices for business. With the special prices, you can also have the possibility to assign a different price list for selected items to a business partner. You can copy special prices to other business partners using inventory, price list, special prices, copy. For copying special prices from one business partner to other ones, the following copy rules exist. Replace all items. The system copies all the special prices and possibly overrides existing ones. Replace one on existing items. The system overrides all other prices that exist in the source business partner or BP and target BP records. It does not add any new special prices. Do not replace items. The system adds new special prices but does change existing ones.